SAS Interview question and answer. Question number 73. How do we use data step merge to get same result as full join from Proc SQL? This question is asking about what is the equivalent code for Proc SQL full join and data step merge. Following code is used to get the same result from data step merge and Proc SQL full join. To explain this question, following two datasets are used, employee and department. Where employee dataset, it has 6 records and 5 variables, and department table, it has 5 records and 2 variables. First of all, data step merge. Before using merge statement, we have to sort the data by certain variable on which these two datasets are going to merge. In this example, employee and department, these two tables are going to merge by department ID. That's why we are sorting those two tables by using department ID variable. Proc sort data employee by department ID, run. Proc sort data department by department ID, run. Next step is final data final underscore data. We use merge statement, employee, that is sorted table by department ID, in option A, department in option B. Department is again sorted table by department ID. By department ID, if A or B, then output and run. This option or this condition, if A or B, then output, that indicates it will display all the records corresponding to department ID which exist in employee table, as well as it displays all the records corresponding to department ID that exist in department table. Altogether, it will display all the records. Those records exist on both tables, employee and department. When we run for setup code, it will display result as shown below table. It has 6 variables and 8 records. From this table, it is clear that it has covered all the records that exist on employee as well as department table. Because in case of department table, only 16 and 30, these two records or these two values exist on department table, and other value here 20, 23, 25 and 33, those values exist on both table, employee as well as department. Let me go through the Proc SQL full join. It starts with Proc SQL. Let me create a table full underscore join, and I am going to select variable according to order which is display in case of data step merge output table. That means in case of data step output table, the order is ID, name, salary, department ID, manager ID and department name. According to this order, I am going to select variable here. Select e.id, e.name, e.salary, colas function is used, e.department ID, d.department ID, and it is renamed as department ID, e.manager ID, and finally d.department name. Here E and D indicate alias name for employee table and department table respectively. From employee E, full join department D, on, that means on which condition we are going to join. Joining condition is e.department ID equals to d.department ID, order by department ID, and quit. In this code, we have used here colas function. Colas function is a numeric function which can take one or more than one argument, and it will result first non-missing value. We use here order by statement because in case of data step merge, final dataset has sorted by department ID. That's why to generate the same result, we have to sort the data, final data, by department ID. That's why we use order by statement to sort the data. When we run second set of code, then it will display the result as shown below table. The result is exactly same. It has 6 variables and 8 records. Each value are exactly same. If we run same set of code with a SAS window, then we will get exactly same result. Let me go to the SAS window and run the same program. This is SAS window. It has multiple programs. First two programs create two data sets, employee and department. Second two proc sort data program that sort the data by department ID. And last two programs are used for data step merge as well as Proc SQL full join. Let me run first two set of program. It creates two program. One is two table, one is employee, other one is department. Employee table first. It has 5 variable and 6 records. Next one, department. It has 5 records and 2 variable. Next step, I'm going to run these two program here that sorts the data by department ID. This is sorted table by department ID. It's the employee table. All records are sorted by department ID. Next one is department table. Records are sorted by department ID. Let me go back to the code and run last two programs, data step merge and Proc SQL full join. This is the result we obtained from data step merge. This is the final underscore data. This is the table name from data step merge. Final data, it has 6 variable and 8 records. As we explained before, two department ID 16 and 30. These two values exist only on department table, and other values 20, 23, 25 and 33. Those values exist on both tables. That means employee and department. Let me check with full join. This is the table from Proc SQL full join. The result is exactly same. It has 6 variable and 8 records, and every value are exactly same. In this way, we can use equivalent code for data step merge as well as Proc SQL write join, as we explained in this slide. That's all about question number 73. Thank you.